Tell me something about your experience.
I have 2 years experience at Audit Address, Maravilla, and as a machine operator, and I have experience in attaching zippers, collars.
It's also in Norway.
Yes,
So altogether you work from 2014 to until 2018 in Oregon.
yeah, because I have attended the same place, but I have worked at 2 plants.
So after that,
After that, in between, I have also worked as a tuition instructor for 2 languages,
two languages one.
English and Sinhala. Apart from that, for the primary kids.
Okay, now also you are working as a teacher in private
But
classes.
currently, I have got in touch with some area methods. Currently, I'm working there, but I haven't mentioned there because this was held up earlier. Because it was
So
registered earlier.
now you are working in
Some area methods.
some area methods.
Yes.
What are the products they are doing?
They are doing ladies wear and kids wear.
So do you have any targets here?
Targets in sense as I have joined newly, so I'm not yet focused on targets, but earlier I have completed at
Oregon.
Yes.
Okay, Jeremy, you are married, right?
Yes.
Do you have children?
No.
If you are selected, how long you planning working with you?
Since my husband is working there, so we both are planning to stay there.
Settle down.
Yes. Hopefully.
Okay, how you got your number?
From my husband.
He's working in BSc, right?
Yes.
How is his experience?
I think he's been liking the place according to things what he have taught me. The background and the people are almost like we can understand. Oh, yeah, very cooperative compared to once here.
Okay, so we have some mathematical parts. We move to that one. Give the answers for you. You can write it.
Could you just write it? Okay, 20. 32. 61. 12. 10. 35. Thank you.
I'm sorry.